The 1966 Chevrolet Ponderosa by RTech Fabrications. We have covered plenty of customized trucks from famous tuners like Hennessey, Tuscany, SVE, Roush and the lot. But these were generally new-gen trucks with a lot of electrical and electronic shenanigans. Today, however, we've decided to cover a restomod operation by RTech Fabrications. The company basically works on 1967 to 1972 Chevy and GMC trucks. However, the vehicle in question is a 1966 Chevrolet K30 Crew Cab pickup truck that has been restored to all its glory. Oh, and the company has moniker'd it Ponderosa. Exterior: RTech has built the Ponderosa with a lot of added rigidity to make it a lot stronger than what it was in factory condition. RTech has used 16-gauge sheet metal and plenty of spot welding in creating the body. Up front, it kind of has a double face. Under the lip of the upper half lies a set of turn signals on either side and an air dam in between. Below that is the 1966 Chevy grille with the name embossed on it.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.